All right, guys. Up here with the brake booster, master cylinder. Got the lines disconnected. Okay, there was a little sensor right there. Got it unplugged. Got the vacuum hose off right now. Mr. Bobby is working on taking the kick panel off.
There's a panel that covers this, a trim panel.
Okay, I see.
So I can get in here.
So you can get in, disconnect from the brake pedal.
I need to disconnect the brake pedal, and I need to. Oh, fuck.
Damn, he's pretty good at that.
I'm pretty flexible for a fat guy.
Damn, I couldn't ever do that. But yeah, he's getting that undone. He also has two bolts that have the brake booster hooked up, bolted to the firewall. I'll show you on this one right here. Got the new one. Set up. The sensor I was talking about. And so you see how that hooks up to the brake pedal. Those are the studs that come through the firewall. Nuts. Fat man stuck? Fat man down.
Fat man or Batman?
Little fat Batman.
It's fat man.
I'm thinking Robin instead.
Robin?
Robin. But in his case, it would be Bobbin.
Bobbin? Oh,
Bobbin.
damn.
Bobbin,
Oh. Hey, Belly.
Oh, I am so bad. I'm going to hell for that one.
Here's something, Muskrat. Oh, of course.
Of course.
Got one of those clippies on a stud.
Clippy on a stud.
Uh-huh.
Don't be telling people I'm the stud.
You're not.
Oh, that's not what the stud finder says.
Oh, ha-ha, dad joke.
Bad dad joke.
It's always a bad dad joke.
You almost done down there?
Yeah, as soon as I get this stupid thing off. Come on, bitch.
Anyway, he's fighting down there right now.
Something.
All right, guys. Well, we'll get right back to you in just a moment. All right, guys, we're back. What you got?
Panel out. I did have to. There's a stud that goes through here, and it's got one of those round, springy retainers, so I had to fight that off, and I had to disconnect our courtesy light. But the panel's out.
Okay.
So now, let me see. Woo! Okay, so our brake pedal. I need to undo it up in here. And then there's two nuts straight down and back in there. This is going to be a real treat because there's not much room. And Fat Boy might get stuck. So, yeah. Fat Boy will definitely get stuck. But, you know, nothing new. Okay, so I am wedged upside down under the dash. I'll actually have Nick video me how I'm stuck. So this pin needs to come out here. Boop. That'll get the push rod off. And there's two nuts. One here, and of course the other one's gonna be by braille. Oh, it's right there. Okay, it's not so bad. But we get those off, and then we can pull everything out. Oh, okay. I'm having trouble breathing because I'm upside down and squished. But that's unhooked. The two nuts are off. Boom and boom. You can see them. All right. We're going to pull this out. That wasn't fun. Brenzy, it was a lot more fun for you because you didn't have to wedge your ass underneath that dash.
Well, I was going to start poking you,
But look, we pulled out together. Anyway. Oh, now you got it?
Yep.
Now you got it?
Yep. Sorry.
Slowpoke today.
Some reason I was trying to be serious right now, but
We're never serious. If we're serious, we're going to be goofy, and it's going to suck. I'm going to undo this now.
And see
just how bad it was. Come on, Ooh. Not terrible, but look at the rust. You can tell it's been leaking, and you know how brake fluid attracts moisture.
Yep.
Look at the rust in there. There's your telltale sign, and it's wet right here. Been and leaking. Right there, too.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Now we know.
The more you know.
So we'll put the other one in a minute. It hurts.